going to make liver pepper gravy. So let us start. Ingredients are 1 small sized onion, half tomato, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 10 cashew nuts, salt according to your taste, 2 tablespoons of pepper masala. The recipe of pepper masala is in the end of the video. 50 ml of coconut oil and 250 grams of goat's kidney and liver. So let us start making the recipe. Now proceeding towards our recipe, for that take a mixer jar and add half tomato in it. And then add 10 cashew nuts, half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt according to your taste, and 1 small onion, and now add 2 tablespoons of pepper masala. The recipe will be in the end of the video, and grind it. Now for the recipe, take a pressure cooker and heat 50 ml of coconut oil. Now once the coconut oil is heated, add the paste which we made out of onion, tomato, pepper masala and so on. And mix the pepper masala and the coconut oil together. Now once you've mixed it nicely, add the kidney and liver. This is all together 250 grams. And mix all the ingredients well. And after 5 to 10 minutes, add half cup of water in it. And mix all these ingredients together. And close the pressure cooker and let it cook for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, our liver pepper gravy is ready. And a healthy and tasty liver pepper gravy is ready to serve. For the pepper masala, you will require 2 teaspoons of peppercorns, 3 red chilies, small size of 2 cinnamon, 3 cloves and 1 green cardamom, and half teaspoon of ginger and garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger and garlic powder, and grind all these ingredients and your masala will be ready. And after grinding, pepper masala is ready to use.